SAS Forks, engineered tough.
SAS Forks has been busy. We are currently expanding our shop, fulfilling your orders, going to conventions to see you. Each month, we're going to be releasing an episode recapping what has been going on around SAS Forks. The video will also feature some tips and tricks for your SAS products.
Keeping up with maintenance on the SAS Extreme Auto Processor is simple and important. Just check your manual for proper grease type. Lubricating the SAS Extreme rotating grapple head should be done daily. This will give you the opportunity to closely inspect your pins, retaining hardware, claw tips, and conduct necessary repairs. First, you want to make sure the grapple is on a firm level surface and turn off the machine to avoid pinch points. Then, you get to greasing. You know you've properly greased the pin when you see even squeeze out. Now, if your machine has hinges, you will need to grease those points as well.
If you are having issues finding a machine, our sales team will help. We will find the perfect machine for your yard and have it sent to SAS Forks. Once your attachments are completed, we put them on your machine. What does this mean for you? When the machine is delivered, you get to use it right away. If you already have a machine and just want us to put your attachments on, we can do that as well. Just call our sales team and they will get things handled for you. SAS Forks is giving away a drone package. All you have to do is write a review for your chance to win. Go to our social media pages for more details.